pre-planned this.
Yeah, I have no idea what we're talking about.
Hey guys, it's been a 6-month waiting period from our previous video. Here's a review video. We will have some fishing content for you soon. So we are going to be reviewing the ECOTEK Outdoors sleeping pad, which is inflatable and also cool. It's good. It's a good product.
We both got them at the beginning of this year in anticipation of just a lot of camping, considering that's one of the best activities you can do during a pandemic. And we are both very happy. These are lightweight, small, very durable. We haven't had any problems with them, and we've used them on about at least 4 or 5 trips now.
And Alex bought one the very next day after I got mine in. You can find them on Amazon. If they are still available, I will link the link in the description below, but these are excellent.
I think they came to around $60, and just to have something this small, like I keep it in my glove box, you know. I drive a little hatchback, so when we're camping with 4 people, it gets filled up, so the more space that you can save, the better. So they weigh about 500 grams or so, half a pound, and they come in these little small carrying pouches. That's what it looks like inside, all rolled up.
So the pack size is about 10 inches by 3 inches and is about 6'2" in length, and it's about 2 feet wide, maybe a few inches less in width, and it inflates about 2 to 3 inches off the ground.
The best thing about these is it takes no effort at all to set up. I think it takes about 8 breaths, 9 breaths or so.
Maybe 11 for smaller lunged people.
As simple as that. 10 breaths, 10 seconds.
Of my tiny lungs, and here it is. By the way, I am 5'10", 5'11", so this is what it looks like with me standing next to it. It has one nozzle where you inflate it and deflate it, and it's very easy to use. I am struggling to open it, so you will not be deflating during the night. So I will now demonstrate what me, a 5'10/11" person, looks like on this contraption. Comfortable. So, you may be wondering, well, those are hexagons. They're not completely inflated. Well, I'll tell you what about those hexagons. They actually improve inflation, but also they don't feel like hexagons underneath. All I need is a pillow for my head because I'm a side sleeper, and I'm all good. And when you're using your sleeping bag, it's even better. The only problem is, if you're a side sleeper, like me, and you have hips, like me, you may feel slight discomfort in the hipular area. But that's why people are able to move their bodies while they're asleep so that they can shift into a more comfortable position. This is what a 5'7" person looks like on this product. So this is what the product looks like on top of an average sleeping bag. I've had the sleeping bag for who knows how long, and it's still proper size measurements.
You could either put the sleeping mat underneath your sleeping bag, or inside of it.
Me personally, I like to use a sleeping bag as a regular sleeping bag on top of the mattress. So my sleeping bag acts like a blanket and a bed sheet. And kind of also a double mattress because it's so soft underneath. It's really easy to unpack this mattress. So basically you open up this valve thing and you kind of get it out like this so that the tongue's sticking out. And while that's open, all you have to do is just start holding it, start rolling it, and all the air is actually already out before I even started doing anything. Good enough.
hardest part. So
so in conclusion, we definitely really like this product. It's obviously not going to be 100% comfortable for you, but that's the whole point of camping. You're supposed to be surviving and not living in luxury. So if you're looking for a small product that does its job as best as it can, definitely this is a good purchase because it's so convenient. I don't have to think about it. I don't have to bring a pump with me. All I need is my sleeping bag, this thing, and a pillow, and I'm all set.
For $60, I think it's a fantastic purchase.
Approved! Thank you for watching our videos. We're sorry about the lack of content and the lack of fishing, but we are trying our hardest to survive these trying times, and there will probably be a lot more review videos coming soon. Alex will try and go out to fish. We're gonna try and get this fishing channel back on the rails, trains. Yes.
Look forward to more content coming soon.
Leave a like and subscribe and share this with your friends and your family. Make sure to buy 12 of this product. This is also non-advertisement. We were not sponsored. We just actually really like this product.